Wow. Whoa. Look at this flood. This is the train station. The streets are flooded everywhere. Look at this. This is like an ocean. This is literally an ocean you have to swim through to get home. This is insane. This is an ocean that we have to get through. Look at this. It's like you have to swim through the streets. This is nuts. This is a flood. The entire streets are flooded everywhere. I didn't know we lived in Venice, where we have an ocean on the sidewalks. Look at this. We have to swim through this. We have to swim through it. Let's go. We have to go.